Most people walk past places like this every day. They see nothing but trash and broken metal. But hidden inside this waste is valuable raw material. Scrap metal is the foundation of a surprisingly profitable industry. Around the world, scrap metal yards buy this discarded material. Workers sort valuable metals like aluminum, copper, and steel. Each type of metal has a different market price. What looks like junk can quickly turn into real money. Scrap metal is sold by weight in industrial markets. Even small amounts can add up quickly. Large recycling yards process hundreds of tons every week. That volume turns discarded metal into serious income. Cities produce massive amounts of metal waste every day. Construction projects discard tons of steel and aluminum. Old appliances and machines also contain valuable metals. Yet much of this material is simply thrown away. Most people treat old metal objects as simple garbage. Broken tools, bicycles, and appliances are thrown away. Few people think about the metal value inside them. That overlooked value creates a hidden business opportunity. For scrap collectors, this waste is a valuable resource. They search cities for discarded metal objects. Each item contains materials that recycling companies will buy. The opportunity begins with simple collection. Scrap collectors gather metal from streets, homes, and construction sites. Small trucks are often used to transport the materials. Over time, the collected metal quickly fills entire vehicle loads. That raw material is ready to be sold to scrap yards. Small scrap suppliers play a key role in the metal supply chain. They gather materials from multiple sources every day. Suppliers organize scrap by type and quality. This ensures recycling yards receive ready-to-process material efficiently. Collected scrap must be delivered to recycling yards. Small trucks and forklifts transport the metal quickly. Speed and organization are essential to maximize daily loads. Efficient transportation increases the overall profitability of scrap operations. This is the heart of the scrap metal business, the recycling facility. Here, scrap from multiple sources is received daily. Workers and machines quickly organize and prepare metal for processing. Speed and precision in this stage directly impact profits. Advanced machinery handles the heavy lifting in scrap metal recycling. Conveyor belts and shredders process metals quickly. Workers monitor every step to ensure quality. This mechanized efficiency allows the business to scale and earn more. Workers and machines process metals at high speed. Aluminum, copper, and steel are compressed and prepared for sale. Automation ensures consistent quality and volume. Faster operations mean more metal is processed each day. Small metal pieces must also be separated. Copper wires and aluminum scraps are sorted carefully. Every gram matters when selling by weight. This detailed work ensures maximum value for each load. Automation allows scrap metal to be processed faster than ever. Hydraulic presses, shredders, and conveyors handle massive volumes. Workers monitor and adjust equipment for safety and efficiency. This system transforms raw scrap into valuable, ready-to-sell metal blocks. Recycling yards pay by weight for every type of metal. Each transaction adds to daily revenue. Digital scales and pricing systems speed up the process. Fast operations ensure maximum profitability every day. Processed metal is loaded and shipped to buyers. Trucks carry aluminum, copper, and steel to markets worldwide. Every pallet represents real revenue flowing into the business. Fast operations and organized dispatch maximize profits. Scrap metal businesses closely track market prices. The value of metals like copper and aluminum changes daily. Smart operators monitor these numbers constantly. Buying and selling at the right time increases profits. Transactions happen quickly in busy recycling yards. Metal is weighed, inspected, and recorded digitally. Buyers pay based on current market rates. Efficient systems keep money flowing through the business. Successful scrap yards eventually expand their operations. More workers, machines, and trucks increase capacity. Handling larger volumes means higher daily revenue. Growth is a key goal for every recycling business. Large recycling companies often operate multiple facilities. Metal is collected and processed across different regions. Transportation networks connect these locations efficiently. Scaling operations multiplies the business income potential. A well-run scrap metal business can generate impressive revenue. Large recycling facilities process thousands of tons each year. With strong demand for raw metals, profits grow steadily. For many operators, this industry becomes a million-dollar business. The scrap metal industry works because of simple systems. Collection, sorting, processing, and selling happen in sequence. Efficiency at each step keeps the operation profitable. Even waste can become a powerful economic resource. It all begins with items most people throw away. Old appliances, bicycles, and tools become raw materials. Recycling transforms them into valuable industrial resources. Simple ideas like this power entire industries. Sometimes the most profitable businesses look ordinary. Scrap metal recycling is one perfect example. What others see as waste becomes opportunity. And boring businesses like this quietly create real wealth.